Hello everyone, my name is Senya, and today I want to show you how to crochet a bright yellow scarf. This is a comfortable scarf, it's made in simple half double slip stitch crochet. You will love how quickly this works up, and you can experiment with colored lines on the scarf. So, let's get started. Equipment and all what we need: scissors, tape measure, 2 crochet hooks number 6 and number 8, and 2 different colored yarns, yellow and dark violet yarn for lines. The scarf is crocheted with English rib pattern. This pattern looks like it's knitted with knitting needles, and this is cross crocheting, and you need to cast on so many loops to get the given length of the scarf, and then crochet the scarf in width. First of all, you need to crochet a small sample for gauge. I used crochet hook number 8 and I have in 1 cm 1.75 stitches and in 1 inch 4.445 stitches. I want scarf's length 155 cm or 61 inches and my scarf's width is 18 cm or 7 inches. So multiply and I have 271 stitches. So I need to cast on 271 stitches and choose any length and width for your scarf. So I will be showing the crochet on a small sample, and I use crochet hook number 6 for cast on, knot number 8. So start with a slip knot on your hook. Make a loop, pull yarn through loop, and pull yarn and gently to secure the hook. So place yarn over hook and pull yarn through to make the first chain, and repeat to make chains as long as desired. I need to cast on 271 stitches for my scarf, but it is a sample and I cast on 20 stitches. I made 20 stitches and make 1 chain stitch to begin the first row. Turn the chain to back of the chain, and with single crochet I skip the first one of the chain, so I walk into the back bumps and to do a single crochet. Put hook into the next chain, yarn over, and pull yarn through 2 loops, leaving 1 loop on the hook. And repeat this process across your chain right up to the slip knot. So make 1 chain to start row 2 and turn work over. Chain crochet hook 6 to a larger hook number 8. And this row I will make half double slip stitch crochet, so that the edges of the scarf don't stretch, and I will crochet the first and the last loop as usual, and I will crochet the other loops to back loop only. So let's yarn over, insert your hook into the loop, yarn over and pull a loop back through, and continue pulling through all 2 loops on your hook. So again, yarn over, then insert your hook just into the back loop, and then pull up a loop and pull directly through those 2 loops. And again, the stitch is just yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and then pull directly through those 2 loops. So make a chain and turn my work. And this row 3 is the same as the row 2. The first and the last loops I crochet as usual, and other loops to crochet into the back loops only. Row 4, 5 and 6 and others to crochet is the same. I will repeat this until I crochet the width of the scarf I need. So this is the front side of the scarf and this is the back side. So you need to finish crocheting from the front side. And the last row I will crochet with crochet hook number 6, not number 8. Therefore the side of the scarf doesn't stretch. And this row is the same as the first row, but the first and the last loops I crochet as usual and other loops to back loop only with single crochet. And repeat this process across your row. So make a chain, cut the yarn, leaving alone loose end, and pull tightly to close it. This crocheted pattern looks like an English rib knitted pattern. And now I'll show you how to decorate a scarf with embroidery. Let's pretend it's a scarf. And I use new color yarn and crochet hook number 6. And I want to make a dark violet line. So insert your hook into the loop and catch the yarn, leaving a long loose end. And it's a first stitch. The working thread is on the back side. Put your hook into the second loop, place yarn over hook, and pull yarn through the loop and pull through one loop on the hook. And repeat this across your length of scarf. Catch yarn and pull through the loop. So we have such a line on the front side and this line on the back side. In the end, make a chain and cut the yarn, leaving a long loose end, and pull tightly to close it. How to make fringe? The fringe I make from the front side of my scarf, and I have a dark violet line here. So I use crochet number 6 and insert your hook into the loop. For the fringe, I cut yarn 36 centimeters long and in 2 strands and fold it in half. So catch the yarn for the fringe and pull through the loop and catch one more thread and catch one more color thread and pull through the loop on the hook and tighten the end. I connect the prime in this line and this line and this line too and this line too. So again, with yellow yarn, insert your hook into the loop and catch the yarn for the fringe, pull through the loop and tighten the end, and repeat it across the side of the scarf. Now you need to trim the fringe and do this on both sides of the scarf.